Welcome back. The Goa government has decided to introduce ERC, that is Electronic Registration Certificate books, for all vehicles registered in the state. It will record history of the vehicle, including the accidents and offences in connection with it. Government also wants to introduce a new smart card and e-challans. Here is a report.
State Transport has decided that the ERC books would be introduced after 6 months, which will do away with the traditional booklets that has the record of the owner and other details of the vehicle. ERC book features offences or accidents committed using the vehicle would be recorded in digitized format. Law enforcement agencies to be provided palm-sized decoders to read the records embedded in the chip. Government also wants to introduce new smart cards soon, which will also record the details about offences committed by the license holder. Transport Department officials feel that ERC book and smart card license would help the law enforcers to take action against the truck carrying iron ore, which are often involved in offences like overloading or accidents.
As we have now licenses in card system, we'll have RC books also in the card system. That will be a smart card RC. Totally, the department also will come up with some system called as e-challan.
Okay.
That the challans will not be issued, physically in that form, but they will be used through machines. The palm tops will be there. They will generate the challan, and once the challan is generated, automatically the entry will be going to the RC book. And even if possible, we'll make our licenses, the present licenses,
Okay.
also compatible to the same system, so that the challans issued for driving defaults also can be entered into the respective license. So at the time of renewal of license, the cognizance can be taken, or after say maybe repeated 2 or 3 offences, or after a major offence, the licenses can be cancelled instantly based on the records.
The department has already begun the drive to take action against the trucks which are overloading the ore. The department will be issuing e-challans, because of which the offenders will have their crime reported on the smart cards and also on the ERC books. With Bureau Inputs, Navdeep Agiyar from Panji.
Advocate Iris Rodrigues has alleged the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar of violating law. He said that the expenditure cost on swearing-in ceremony of CM was 11 lakhs. Iris also informed that CM had not undertaken permission from the Corporation of Panji and the SAG authorities before arranging the ceremony. Here is a report.
The swearing-in ceremony of the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was held at SAG grounds on 9th March. For the first time in Goan history, a Chief Minister had sworn in outside the Raj Bhavan complex. Advocate Iris Rodrigues says that expenditure cost for the function was about 11 lakh rupees. He said that this was an unnecessary expenditure.
The Chief Minister on his first day in office has burdened the taxpayer by almost 11 lakhs. Now the swearing-in ceremony is always a function organized by the Raj Bhavan. But if you see this file notings, the Raj Bhavan had no say whatsoever in organizing the function. Everything was organized and manipulated by the Chief Minister himself. This is not acceptable.
Furthermore, he mentioned that the required permissions were not taken from the CCP and SAG authorities.
No permission was sought from the Sports Authority of Goa and the Corporation of City of Panjim to hold this function on SAG grounds. As per the requirements, permission of the SAG is required to use their grounds, and any function, even organized by the government, needs the permission of the Corporation of City of Panjim. All this was not complied. Now the Chief Minister wants everybody to comply with the law, and the Chief Minister himself violates the law.
A reporter in Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Former Naveli MLA Churchill Alemao still claims his stronghold in Naveli constituency. But the numbers say something different. There are 5 panchayats in Naveli constituency, out of which Naveli and Davorli panchayats panel belong to Churchill Alemao. On the other side, Avartano has claimed victory in all 5 panchayats in Naveli.
Churchill Alemao was recently defeated by Avartan Furtado in assembly elections, but Churchill still claims his hold in Naveli constituency. He feels that Naveli people will support him in his assignments. He was gratified after his panchayat panel won in Naveli and Davorli.
आमगेले 7 जाण आयले 7 जाण
सजाण सारखे आमचे येले आनी एक इंडिपेंडंट येलो तो पॉल बसना मग पॉलांनी इंडिपेंडंट बसयलो सजा आयलो तो कोणान एकल्या वयलो म्हूण आयकता अदरवायज ती 5 जाणां आमी एकल्या पूण कोणाकूच हांवें हें केलां की आपल्या खुशेन बसल्या स्टेजीर लागीं बसल्या त्याच भाशेन दावोली 6 जाण येल्यात 6 जाण आमचे.
He also mentioned that his panel won the elections with people's support and the panels would work for the betterment of the villages.
म्हाका दिसता 10 वर्सां केलें काम सरना ते वाड्या भितर 10 वर्सां काम करता हांव चेचीला कुस्तार भरपूर काम केलें चेचीर आमकां सदांच आधार आसतलो.
वहाँ गंदगी बहुत है, मच्छर है, वहाँ के एक एक गटर में प्रेस को लेके जाके खुद मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि वहाँ पर जो गंदगी है सबसे पहला तो वो पहला साफ होना चाहिए, कचरा और गटर.
Meanwhile, Naveli MLA Avartan Furtado says his panel have been victorious in all 5 panchayats in Naveli constituency.
After my elections, today is my happiest day because from all 5 panchayats, I have got the majority, and I'm so sure that all my elected members are really confident that they'll do work under my leadership.
A reporter in Naveli, Samir Bhatt.
Kalangut police succeeded in raiding a group involved in gambling in the area. The gamblers were caught with cash of 94,330 rupees. Also, 16 mobiles were recovered from the group amounting to almost 64,000 rupees. The gamblers were caught red-handed gambling under Bahar.
The police team under the leadership of PI Nolasco Rapos raided the apartment at Naikwado in Kalangut. In all, 17 gamblers were arrested. The group was involved in gambling named Andar Bahar. A total cash of 94,330 rupees was seized from the gamblers. 16 mobiles were also recovered.
On receipt of secret information that gambling activity is carried out on the first floor of Selvan Apartments behind Dilkush Hotel, a raid was conducted in which 17 accused persons were caught red-handed while playing under bar and cash amount of rupees 94,330, 16 mobile phones, playing cards have been attached in the said raid. All the accused persons are arrested and an offence under section 3 and 4 of Goa Daman and Public Act is registered. In this connection, PSI Lakshya Amodkar is conducting further investigation in this case. The other members of the raiding party were Head Constable Subhash Malvankar, Baburao Desai and Vaman Naik.
PSI Lakshya Amodkar is investigating into the case. A reporter in Kalangut, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.